Good morning, everyone. Another beautiful day to start into our days together. Today, with the beautiful background sound of the waves here in the south of Thailand, here in Phang Nag, in a little beach town nearby to Phuket. And I just want today to connect with you all together to our inner light because we have a choice in every single moment of our day to interpret the experience we are having as unpleasant or as pleasant. And with that, we are constructing the way how we respond to life. And what I want to invite you today and us in our practice is to not interpret, to not give it a label, but actually just see the experience as it is and connect to the light the experience gives to us. So I invite you now to gently close your eyes and sit comfortably or lay or walk, whatever feels right in this moment. You can have your legs crossed or like me today, just sitting in prayer position, just on your heels basically and on your lower legs. And arrive here together in this present moment. And connect to the breath of our life. Connect how it's going in and out. Sense your whole body here, just as it is. And whenever thoughts arise and your mind wants to drift away to whatever is happening on your day or what was yesterday, or your practice of meditation is gently with full love to put your awareness always back on again and again through your body, to your breath, to a focus point. That's meditation. Yeah. Our mind is like an untrained dog. It walks somewhere, goes somewhere, and we, as soon as we get aware, we bring the dog and with love put it back here to its place to meditation. I really love that metaphor. So be kind to yourself. Meditation is not to not think. It's the practice of when you are unaware, you're getting back to awareness and bring your awareness back into your body, into your breath, or into a focus point, whatever kind of meditation type you prefer. Right? That's why there's also no good or bad meditator. It's really just about the practice and training our inner dog or our brain, basically. So, building new neural pathways for awareness and consciousness. So, let's start this practice with full love and acceptance ourselves and feeling our bodies, feeling your legs, hands, arms, torso, head, throat, and have this anchor point of the body always when the thoughts are going to take us away. As soon as we notice, we go back to some part of our body, some part of our breath, anything. Yes. Let's dive deeper. When you now feel your body, find now any spot in your body where you feel relaxed, loving, light. It can be a peace in your heart, it can be in your stomach, remembering a delicious meal. It can be in your throat, feeling the sound of your voice. Wherever in your body right now, it feels the most colorful, delightful, and a beautiful place to hang out. Just move to this part of your body. And really feel that sensation in your body. Is it warm? Is it cold? Is it tingling? Does it have a color? Does it move? Or is it static? How big is the sensation? 1 centimeter, 5 centimeters, 10 centimeters. And what's its shape? Its color? And really connect into the sensation of light, of love that you feel there in your body. Remember exactly where it is. And that's now in this awareness, connectedness to our inner light. Ask this question. What wants to emerge through me today from this place of light? What wants to emerge through me today? And listen. now place your hands on this part of your body where you feel that light. And connect with your hands to this inner power, inner light, inner strength that is flowing inside of you. And remember it. And it's always there, always with you, always present. And just a thank you to yourself for showing up, for practicing today. You can gently come back wherever you are, arrive in your room, and I hope you had a joyful time today in connecting to the light. And also if it may be difficult and the thoughts, they were coming and going, and you maybe found some sensation, you lost it in between, or it was not 100% what you wanted to have in this experience. That's okay. Remember this little dog, it's a baby dog that is being trained with love and compassion, and always, the mind walks somewhere and we put it back and we put it back, and it's the practice of just showing up again, again, and again and again. And that's the same with connecting to the light. It's connecting to the light again and again. Experience comes, experience goes, it flows, and I connect to the light. I connect to this part, and now you know where in which direction of your body it is that you can just tune into, and you are in your wisdom, you are in your light, and it's just there. Because it's an illusion that we just feel like this, and we feel positive, we feel negative, and it's just 1 or 0. That's not true. Everything is happening at the same time. Emotion is energy in motion. Everything flows. Everything is present at the same time. And it's our choice with our mind and our awareness what we are focusing on and what we are observing and what we label it, everything. And we can train with love and compassion, with meditation, for instance, train our mind to be more into the light and see the light also when experiences are not as we want them to be. But see the light and connect to the light. And that's an inner practice. It's a practice with ourselves, with our souls, with our mind. We cannot do it for anyone else. We can't. We can just do it inside. And I hope you had a good start this morning and you could get some intention in that question, from the light. What wants to emerge from me? And by the way, this is an amazing guiding question. What wants to emerge through me? That you can also ask whenever you want some direction in your day. You can just tune into that position and that specific sensation of light. Connect there. Take one breath and just ask, what wants to emerge through me? And with this love and light, I wish you a wonderful start into the week, into your day. Much love, Alexandra.